Imagine this. It's late at night. The world is silent. No noise, no distractions. And for the first time, you sit alone with your dreams. Not the dreams you tell people about, the real ones. The ones hidden deep inside your heart. The life you secretly crave. The love you want to feel. The peace you are searching for. The success you believe is possible, but haven't touched yet. This is where the letter to the universe manifestation technique begins. It is not just writing, it is emotional alignment. It is a conversation between your soul and the energy of the universe. When done correctly, this technique can completely transform your mindset, your emotions, and your reality. Step 1. Create sacred silence. Before writing the letter, prepare your energy. Turn off distractions. Dim the lights. Sit somewhere peaceful. You can light a candle, play soft music, or simply sit in silence. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again. With every breath, let go of stress, fear, anxiety, and doubt. Because manifestation does not begin with words. It begins with energy. And the universe listens most carefully when your heart becomes quiet. Step 2. Feel before you write. Most people make one mistake. They write from desperation. I want money. I want love. I want success. But manifestation is not begging. Manifestation is becoming emotionally connected to the reality you desire. So before writing, feel it. Imagine your dream already happened. Imagine waking up in your dream life. Feel the happiness in your chest. Feel the relief. Feel the gratitude. Because emotions are the real language of the universe. The stronger your emotional connection, the stronger your manifestation power becomes. Step 3. Start the letter with trust. Now begin writing. Start with, Dear Universe. Not because the universe needs formal words, but because your mind needs emotional openness. This moment tells your subconscious, I am ready to receive. Write slowly. Write honestly. Write emotionally. Do not worry about grammar. Do not try to sound perfect. The universe does not respond to perfect words. It responds to authentic feelings. Step 4. Write as if it already happened. This is the most powerful part. Never write from lack. Do not say, I hope one day I become successful. Instead, write, Thank you, universe, for bringing success into my life. Write in the present tense. Because the subconscious mind cannot clearly distinguish imagination from reality. And when your subconscious starts believing something is already real, your thoughts change. Your energy changes. Your actions change. And slowly, your reality changes. Step 5. Add deep emotional details. Do not write only goals. Write emotions. Instead of saying, I have a new car, say, Thank you, universe, for the feeling of freedom when I drive my dream car. Thank you for the confidence, comfort, and happiness I feel every day. Instead of, I want love, write, Thank you for sending me a relationship filled with peace, loyalty, understanding, and emotional safety. The universe responds to emotional vibration, not dry sentences. The deeper you feel it, the more powerful the manifestation becomes.
Step 6. Remove fear while writing. While writing, your mind may whisper, "What if this never happens? What if I fail again? What if I'm not worthy?" Do not fight these thoughts. Just observe them and continue writing anyway. Because manifestation is not about having zero fear. It is about choosing belief despite fear. Remember this deeply. Your current reality is not permanent. Your past does not define your future. And the universe cannot give new experiences to someone emotionally attached to old pain. So while writing, release the old version of yourself.
Step 7. Express gratitude in advance. This is where the energy shifts completely. At the end of the letter, write gratitude. Not after receiving, before receiving. Because gratitude is a signal of trust. Write things like, "Thank you for everything that is already making its way toward me. Thank you for guiding me even when I cannot see the path. Thank you for the abundance, love, healing, and opportunities entering my life." Gratitude raises emotional frequency, and high emotional frequency attracts powerful experiences. Step 8. Read the letter out loud. After writing, read it slowly. Feel every sentence. Pause where emotions rise. If tears come, let them come. If your heart feels heavy, release it. This is not weakness. This is emotional alignment. The moment your words create real emotion inside you, the manifestation process becomes stronger. Because now your mind, emotions, and energy are moving in the same direction. Step 9. Let go of obsession. This step is difficult for many people. After writing the letter, stop chasing. Do not keep asking, "When will it happen? Why hasn't it arrived yet?" Obsession creates resistance. Trust creates flow. Plant the seed and allow it to grow. The universe works in silence. Some manifestations happen quickly. Some take time because they are transforming you internally first. Trust the process.
Step 10. Become the person who receives. Manifestation is not magic without action. If you manifest confidence, start speaking confidently. If you manifest wealth, improve your habits. If you manifest peace, protect your mental energy. The universe responds when your actions match your intentions. You cannot ask for a new life while emotionally living like the old version of yourself. Every day, ask yourself, if my manifestation was already real, how would I think, feel, and behave today? Then become that person. Little by little, day by day.
Powerful closing message. One day, you will look back at the letter you wrote with tears in your eyes, and you will realize something incredible. The universe was listening the entire time. Not to your words, but to your belief, your energy, your emotional transformation. Because manifestation is not about forcing reality. It is about becoming emotionally aligned with the reality meant for you. So tonight, take a pen, open your heart, and write the letter that could change your life forever. Thank you.